Welcome to ExpertSaw.com review video. Today we have the great pleasure to introduce you to Jet JWBS 14X Pro 14-inch Deluxe Pro bandsaw kit done. It is the second time that we have got a chance to review a bandsaw. Though, we will be looking at the one offered by Jet. These days people have been drifted towards purchasing bandsaws a lot. The reason behind it is the cutting and handling abilities of the bandsaws. We also consider bandsaws as our personal favorite because the similar things that we mentioned earlier. Whether you want to cut thick pieces of wood into smaller ones or cut laminate sheets into half, bandsaws are a perfect companion. These tools are capable of resawing and can be handy when used to perfection. Over the years, it has been seen that the companies are focusing on creating affordable and precise bandsaws in an affordable price range for housework and job site tasks. Today, we will be looking at Jet JWBS 14X Pro bandsaw by Jet that is considered one of the best deluxe bandsaws available in the market currently. Jet JWBS 14X Pro 14-inch Deluxe Pro bandsaw kit is one of the famous professional bandsaw kits in the market. The company has done a lot of hard work in creating a small professional tool that can be easily used by anyone. We at first were surprised to know the price of the machine because it falls in the range of $1,000. But, after looking at the features and functionalities, we can say that the price is worth it. The tool is created to meet the precision and design quality that a professional woodcutter needs. We looked at almost every aspect of the machine and have tried to mention all the things that you need to know before purchasing one. So, without further ado, let us take a look at the in-depth review of Jet JWBS 14X Pro. Pros of Jet JWBS 14X Pro 14-inch Deluxe Pro bandsaw kit. There are a lot of things that we appreciate about this complete toolkit. Being an expensive machine, it provides all the necessary things that you need to operate it. The price-to-feature ratio of the machine is excellent as the quality of all the components, and the frame is durable. The tool is designed to withstand intense projects and also perform them to perfection. The machine does not need any extra riser blocks as the 14 inches bandsaw comes with a cast iron frame for increasing the power. It makes the tool efficient and ready to meet all resaw applications head-on. It includes a high-tension spring design. It also gives you more power for clean and accurate cuts. It has a newly designed upper and lower cast iron frame that increases the strength and rigidity of the tool. The quick release blade and some more features are designed with precision, and safety standards are also entirely trustworthy. It is an excellent option for woodcutters who are serious about their craft and want to take their work to a whole another level by investing in a bulky and costly model. The blade guide post of the tool includes rack which allows the user to adjust the machine according to the material they are cutting. It's smooth and accurate because of the ball bearing roller guides that also help in cutting back the friction and at the same time, increasing the performance. Cons of Jet JWBS 14X Pro 14-inch Deluxe Pro bandsaw kit. When you look at the price and the features the tool offers, it is tough to look for flaws. But, just like every other machine, this one also has its flaws, and we would like you to keep them in mind while buying it. All the items that are shown in the pictures online don't come with the tool. Some of the accessories need to be purchased by the user separately. It makes the price of the overall setup go higher. It is the first machine that we have reviewed with not a practical instruction manual. A lot of things are not mentioned clearly, and it can trouble a newbie user at first. JWBS 14X Pro is a fantastic machine for a lot of reasons. It can easily cut through different types of materials with high precision. Also, the ability to tilt the table allows the user to cut at different angles without any hassle, and it also gives a user a chance to make adjustments along the way. We were delighted with the overall working of the tool. It's an all-around partner for the price point it is being offered. Another thing that we can rely on is that it comes from one of the most trustworthy brands in the power and hand tools industry. Though, when you look at the price tag, it is indeed a hefty investment, so it is essential to make sure that you understand your needs and check if you will be able to utilize all of its features, otherwise it is not worth it. There are several other models in the market at the low price offered by several companies including Jet itself.
The alternatives that you can look for are Jet 708115K JWBS 14CS 14-inch 1 horsepower woodworking bandsaw with graphite guide blocks, 115-230 volt 1 and Jet 14 inches Deluxe Pro bandsaw kit with working power tool 710116K new. So, it depends on you if you are willing to invest in this machine or look for other ones at a different price tag. We would recommend you to buy this tool because of the features and accuracy it offers. It is easily one of the best bandsaws available in the market currently. We hope that we answered all your queries related to the device in this review. We will be coming back with more new saw reviews for you.